Big Papa, what do we got here?
What we have is your 1996 Buzzkill.
Let me pan down and take a look.
This was, in its previous form, one of the sexiest, most scintillating automobiles available today.
Is that some kind of special aero package?
Now that is a special aero package. This car in its original form really held its value as one of the last air-cooled products on the market. Porsche's air-cooled turbos really were rarefied air. This car held its value up until about 3 p.m. yesterday when a young man took it upon himself to launch it into a field.
Huh.
Forgot to lift.
Oh, it's got a lift.
Took off from the driveway, hit third gear. And
which would be approximately how many miles per hour would you say?
Oh, you're sneaking into third is probably a $110.
Nice.
Would that be? Maybe 80.
Well, we'll go with 80. I like that.
Let's go with 80. Yeah.
We're going with 80.
And from, as far as I can tell, with my piss poor forensic science, did not at all even launch the brakes prior to setting into the bean field. So,
let's have a peek closer, shall we? Let's take a look-see.
What we have here is some front-end distortion to the point that the hood is come up on one side. We got a headlight that is popped out of its previous perch. We've got, well, in the front end of a turbo, if you know anything about them, there's a whole lot of shit going on.
Yeah, oil coolers,
There's
etc.,
coolers
etc.
and radiators and all sorts of crap. But I guess the lower air dam also serves as a bean cutter.
Yeah, I see some alfalfa in there, I think.
It size things off pretty well, right about that level, at 8 inches off.
Sure. Well, let's walk around this side.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a stunning example.
Stunning example of what was a beautiful car.
Right, right.
So, got a little grass poking out of the wheel wells here and there. And when this car was launched, they went nose first into the ditch, and the nose was punched up and rocketed out of the ditch using the rear fairing
as a launch pad?
A scoop, picture the blade on a D3 Caterpillar.
Oh yeah.
Basically scooping up everything
in its path.
Including said beans.
Well, let's walk the other side. Okay. I can't get back to it with this high-tech device I'm carrying. So, is that a custom tinted window?
That is a custom tinted window. It's really a black tint. It's amazing.
Yeah, that's limo black, I believe they call
apparently
that.
The window regulator doesn't want to work, and the window won't go up and down anymore. Although the airbags did not go off, there was some ancillary damage on the inside. For example, the cell phone that the driver of this car now is thoroughly destroyed. Yeah.
Very nice. Yeah. Moving to the back of the vehicle.
Moving to the back, you can see some of the carnage displayed.
Oh, sure.
Because this is made with a slightly different tensile strength than a blade on a D3.
Slightly. Close, but nothing near it.
We've got a lot of oil residue here. There's a lot of oil in one of these things.
Oh, yeah. How many quarts do we figure?
Well, probably
13?
10, 13.
Sure.
Yeah,
a lot.
Well, it's a lot less now, Peter, because most of it puked out on the road or in the driveway.
And we'll get video footage of that, too. So apparently we've got a ruptured oil line.
We've got a ruptured oil line, and you've got all sorts of expensive little tidbits lying around.
Well, I'm thinking probably what, $75, little paint, little touch-up paint, and we're good.
I think it's going to be on the north side of $15,000 by the time the person gets done with this.
You really think?
This little odyssey. Yeah, yeah.
Huh.
So
there you have it, kids. Be careful. Lift.
Lift.
Okay. Today's lesson is over. Thank you.
You're welcome.